Want to know how to install a ceiling fan?
Yes.
Well then keep watching for this step-by-step tutorial, and at the end of the video, I'll share a featured blooper. Hi, my name is Kim with Kimagine DIY, where I hope to help you imagine the possibilities with DIYs and crafts. If that sounds like fun, consider subscribing. Now let's just jump right into this project. I was able to get this fan for free from Facebook Marketplace. To prep for painting, remove the glass and fan blades. You can see me struggle here. This fan was heavier than I thought. Luckily, the fan came with this box, which is very helpful to remove the blades. I was able to remove the front 2 screws with this small extension bit, but it wasn't reaching the back screws. I used a flexible drill bit extension to finally be able to remove the screws. Remove all blades and place your screws in a safe place so you don't lose one. Next, I used a plastic bag to protect the wires from any spray paint. Then I used some blue tape to protect the light bulb sockets as well. I love spray painting, but it can be a messy process. That's why I love using this spray shelter for my project and this comfort grip while I am painting. This color is Matte Coffee Bean by Krylon Color Max, and it's best to paint in a well-ventilated area. When painting, you want to apply thin, light coats in a sweeping motion, staying about 12 inches from your object. I let it dry for 24 hours before assembling the fan. Now it's time to install your refreshed fan. So first, let's shut off the breaker in the room you're working in. Make sure your junction box is rated for ceiling fan use, which I was informed by my home builder. I have this builder grade LED light that I need to remove first. For safety, use a voltage tester to double check that there's no power running to the wires. Pull down the wires to disconnect them from your previous light fixture. Next, install the fan's mounting bracket. You can thread the wire through the mounting bracket, but because how mine was positioned, I just left it out. Then position the bracket over the junction box mounting hardware and tighten your screws. For maximum efficiency, your fan should be between 8 and 9 feet from the floor. If your ceiling height is more than 9 feet, you may need to add a down rod, but my fan already had one. Attach the hanger ball to the mounting bracket on the ceiling. It would be a lot easier if you had someone to help you, so I was struggling a little bit here. Now it's time to wire your fan. You want to match up the color-coded wires and safely make your connections with the wire caps that are normally supplied with your fan, and for additional safety, you can use electrical tape. So you're going to connect your green wire to the green wire and the home's copper wire. These are your grounding wires. Then you will do white to white, which are your neutral, and black to black, which is your hot wires. A power light kit is usually a blue or a striped wire. Since I only have one light switch to power this fan, I combine the blue light kit wire with the 2 black hot wires. That means I will need to use pull chains to operate the fan and the light separately. Tuck the wires in the junction box and attach the canopy into the mounting bracket. It had 2 small screws to fix the canopy in place. My free fan didn't come with any pull chains, so I had to purchase these. This is a close-up on how to thread the chains for this style fan light kit. Once the chains are threaded, I had my nephew Matt hold the glass as I connected the new pull chains to the small chains on the fan. You can see this chain is for the fan motor, and this one is for the light kit. Then stack everything together and use the decorative nut to screw it in place. Then turn your breaker back on and test your fan. What's awesome is that everything worked, and I can feel the fan's motor speed change with every pull.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this, you can click the card right up here, or click here for an entire playlist. And don't forget to watch the blooper at the end, and I will see you guys in the next video. Want to know how to make